off it. Now, I will not allow you to go in the barn. What? You're not going in the barn with me. Why? That thing could collapse at any time. Yes, I will be taking the camera in. All right, get off. Jesse, here. I'm recording you also. Here you go. Okay. Make sure that don't fall. Hey, can you like make it brighter? Why? I can't see anything. Then take off your glasses. Oh my God, hold these. What do you mean, oh my God? Well, now I can see better.
I'm gonna wear these.
Okay.
Oh, it looks cool.
Now take them off.
What?
Blue.
Anything blue?
I did. You can come over here.
I can?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm pretty
I'll
sure.
hold the phone for you.
Okay. So you can watch Jesse climb up the ladder. Oh my God, it looks weird. Actually, I'll carry it up.
Wait a minute.
Holy.
Can I have the phone?
Okay, it's at the right spot.
Hold on. Bring it down.
This is the barn. It's so this is an old dairy farm. They used to milk cows here, but there is cats living here. So I think that they put horses up here. So there is cats. And this nice man comes over and feeds the kitty cats. And there's a lot of haystacks here. A lot. Right, Jesse?
Mm-hmm.
Even more over there. This is where the horses were. Cats could be in there. There's more to it. Wait, right in that corner. There's no kitty. I'm going in. Holy crap. Whoa.
What?
We're not checking that out today.
Okay.
We got more. Is that a grenade?
No, that's a beer bottle.
Okay. For a second, I thought that flipping grenade. Well,
Wait, don't put it like that. It's gonna make it all weird.
just keep it like that, because that's how it started to record.
Shut. Put it up there. I like it in here. I like the food. It's pretty. I really like it.
And I'll hold the phone while you get down.
No. Well, I get up.
Don't you dare! No, Jesse, that's a bad idea. That is old, and it's wood, and it could collapse on you. And you could die.
Let's go.
Phone.